Okay, hello my little scientist. Welcome to our online science class. I'm teacher Riham, your science teacher. May Allah protect Saudi Arabia and all Islamic countries from any dangers. Why you study science grade 2? Grade 2.
For the science of
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So, because the science of today is the technology of tomorrow, please grade 2 follow our online class rules. Mute your microphone and turn off your camera and no one write on the chat. Okay, let's start, honey. In the last week, we start in a new chapter and a new lesson. It's called Describing Matter. Okay, Describing Matter. Let's complete it today, inshallah. We will compare and contrast the different properties of the matter and identify the matter as anything that has mass and takes up space. Okay, first, let's revise. Look at this picture and tell me what is the matter. Who can tell me what is the matter? Anyone remember what the matter?
Abdulaziz. Ahmed.
Abdulaziz, okay. Yes, Abdulaziz and then Hamad. Yes, Abdulaziz.
How are you, teacher?
Teacher,
me Aziz.
Yes, honey. So tell me what is the matter?
How are you, teacher?
Fine. Thank you so much, honey. Yes, Abdulaziz, what is the matter, honey?
Water.
Yeah, like the water and like the...
And like the...
What about number 2?
Number 2.
Yeah, like the water, like the... you breathe what? We breathe the air. Honey, okay?
Yeah, water, wood.
Where are you?
Water, wood, air.
What, honey?
Water, wood, air.
Thank you so much, Yahya. Okay, so like the water, like the air, like the wood, like many things. So matter everywhere, and all things are made of matter. Yes, Hamad?
Yes, teacher.
Tell me again, what is the matter, honey?
It is anything that takes up space and has mass.
Thank you so much, Hamad. Super boy, and thanks for you, Yahya. You are super also. So is anything that takes up space and mass, anything that takes up space and mass, we call it as a matter. We call it as a matter, okay? So many things are called matter, or everything are called matter, and matter is everywhere around us, and all things are made of matter. So again, who can tell me what is the matter? Yes, Agab. Are you here, Agab? Agab? Saud? Can you tell me again?
Yes, teacher.
So tell me again, what is the matter?
The matter
is anything that takes up what? Space and has mass and has
mass.
Yes. Look here, Saud. What about with the water? The water has takes up space here in this cup. Can you see the water here?
Yes.
Yeah, and has mass. Today, inshallah, I will tell you about the mass. And what about with the wood? This wood takes up space, takes space on the table. If you would put this wood on the table, it takes up space?
No.
How no?
Yes.
This wood, okay, yeah, so it takes up space and also it has mass. Okay, thank you so much, Saud. I will tell you more about space and mass today, inshallah. So first, matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. So anything that takes up space and has mass. So all things are made of matter. All things are made of matter. Who can tell me or who can give me examples for the matter? Yes, Abdullah Muhammad Sayyid. Yes, honey, wait, Hamad. Abdullah Muhammad Sayyid. Malik. Malik. Omar Saeed. Omar Saeed.
Yes.
Yes, honey. Can you give me examples for the matter?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell me like what?
Anything which takes a space and have place, it's called matter.
Yeah, like what?
Like I am in the chair now and I can take up a space.
Yeah, so you are made of matter also?
Yeah.
Yeah, amazing. And what else?
All of around you is amateur. I am amateur. The box is amateur. The glass is amateur. All the things.
Amazing, honey. Thank you so much, honey. You are excellent. MashaAllah. Thank you so much. So, Omar, tell us that all things around us is a matter, okay? Or are matters, okay? Me are made of matter. You are made of matter. Everything around us are made of matter, okay? So, the matter we know that may be living or, sorry, natural. Allah has created natural, like the water, like the air, or made by the people, like the table, like the chair, like many things. Okay, honey?
Yeah.
This is number one. What is the matter? And all things are made of matter. Now let's compare between the matters, okay? We have this matters. It's apple, okay? This apple, 1 kilogram from the apple. And here, 5 kilogram from the apple, okay? Who can tell me if we compare between the mass between these apples, which has a heavy mass? Which has a heavy mass? If we put, wait, Hamad, please. If we wanted to measure the these apples, okay, which will sink down? Which will sink here down? The heavy mass or which has light mass? Who can tell me? Yes, Omar Fifi.
Yes, teacher.
Omar Fifi.
Yes,
All of you mute your microphone. Yes, Omar.
Yes.
Honey. Okay. We have a balance, okay, or we have a balance, sorry. If we put the 1 kilogram from the apples and the 4 kilogram from the apples, which will sink here down, which was heavy mass, 5 kilogram or 1 kilogram with heavy mass?
5.
Excellent, Omar, super. 5 with heavy mass. Okay, super boy, Omar. So we know what about the mass. Mass is the amount of matter in an object. So here, the amount of matter in this object is bigger than the amount of object in this. Okay, so mass is the amount of matter in the object. Here, the amount of apple, more the amount of apple from there, okay? So is the amount of matter in an object is called mass. So we have heavy things. And
you have okay.
Heavy things have more mass. The heavy things have more mass. But the light things have less mass. Has less mass. Okay, mass. Okay. Yes, Z.
Yes.
So does the book have more mass than the flower? Sorry, it's flower. The book has more mass than the flower? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, the book has a more mass than the flower. Yeah, why is it?
Because it is have papers more.
Yes, so more amount of matter, more amount of.
Matter.
Thank you so much, Zaid. Super. So more amount of matter in the book. So the book has more mass than the flower. More mass than the flower. Okay. How can we measure the mass? Yes, Mshari. How can we measure the mass? Or how can we measure the mass? By this tool. It's called what? It's called balance. It's called. Yes, honey. Balance. It's called. Yes, one more time and raise your voice. It's called. One more time, Shari. Are you sleeping? Balance.
No, I don't sleeping.
So raise your voice. It's called.
You hear me?
Yes, I hear you. I hear your voice. Raise your voice. Balance. It's called. Balance. Thank you so much. Balance. So we can. Use your microphone. So we measure the balance by the balance or by a balance. Okay, look at this shoes and tell me which has a big or more mass. Which has a more mass? Yes, Sultan Salah. Number 1 or number 2 has more mass? Yes, Sultan. Where are you?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, honey. Can you tell me which has a more mass?
2.
Why, honey? Yeah, it's correct. Super. Number 2 has a more mass. But how you know? Because number 2 has.
Heavy.
Yeah, it's heavy. Super. But why it's heavy? Why it has a more mass? Because it has more amount of. Yes, Sultan? Where are you?
Yes.
Yeah, because it has more amount of matter, more amount of.
Matter.
Yeah, more amount of matter here, so it is heavy and it has a more mass. Thank you so much, Sultan. Okay, so can you tell me, yes, Qusay. Tell me, Qusay.
Say Malik.
Yes, wait, Malik, wait, honey. Can you give me one example of the matter found in your desk? One example, also one. Only one. In your desk.
Read.
What?
Read.
Book? You have a book?
Yeah.
Yeah, so can you describe your book for me? What about your book? Tell me about your book. What is the color of your book?
White.
It's white. Okay. It is big or small?
I want to answer, Muhammad Hilal. Small.
Wait, honey. It's a small. Okay. Tell me more. What the shape of your book? It is like the rectangle or like the circle?
Triangle.
Rectangle or circle? Rectangle. Yes, Qusay, rectangle?
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, thank you so much, Qusay. So look right now, Qusay, describe his book for me. Now, Qusay, describe his book for me, okay? And when we describe anything, when we talk anything, now we talk about its property. Now we talk about its property. It is property. Okay? Let's repeat. So all of you mute the microphone. And let's repeat this word after me. Property. 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 Now mute your microphone and just repeat.
Property.
Yeah. Until you mute your microphone and just repeat. Property. Okay? Property is how the matter looks, how feels, how smells, how tastes, or sounds. Okay? Now we describe the matter. What about the matter? The matter is called puberty. It's called puberty, okay? But if we talk about one puberty, if we say the color, the book is color. Now I'm talking about one property as a singular, but if we talk about more properties, so it's called properties. It's called properties, okay? Properties. What about the properties of the mother? The mother have different of the properties, okay? The mother have different properties and all the mothers different from others, not the same, okay? Number one, some mother may feel smooth, like this apple. Oh, can you touch the apple? Yeah, it's smooth. It's smooth. But others are rough. Others are rough, like this pineapple. It's rough. Oh, I can't touch it. So what about the mothers? Some mothers feel smooth, like this apple, and others are rough. So some feel smooth and others are rough. Okay, honey? Yes, Muhammad Abdul Mohsen?
Teacher, do you say after me, Mother?
Teacher, I'm Mohammed Adel Mohsen.
Okay. Wait a minute. Yes, Muhammad? So what about the properties of the mother? Some mother feels what? Like this apple feels?
Smooth.
Yes, smooth, super. And others are?
Rough.
Super boy. Thank you so much, Muhammad. So some mother feels smooth, others are rough. And some feels thick. Some feels thick. Look how it's thick. This liquid is thick. How? It's thick like the honey bee. It's thick. But others is thin. Others is thin. Okay, like this juice. It's thin liquid. Okay. Yes, Muhammad. Yes, Malik. Okay, honey.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, tell me more about the properties of the mother. Some mothers feels like the honey bee.
Feels, yeah, like the honey feel, and some and
Yes, what about the honey bee? It is thick or thin?
thin,
Look well, it is thick.
thick,
It is like the water or it is thick?
like thick,
Yeah, it is thick, but others are thin. Others are
wind,
thin, honey, thin. Others are
thin,
thin, like the juice or like the water. It's thin also. Okay, honey?
okay,
Thank you so much, honey. So also others, other mother may be thick or thin. Others feel soft like this. It's soft. And others are hard like this rocks. So others are, some mother feels soft and others feels hard. Okay? Yes, Omar Adil. Tell me, Omar, what about the mother? Some mother feels?
yes, teacher,
Some mother feels?
soft,
Soft and others?
hard,
Super boy, Omar. Thank you so much, honey. Yes, Saqar. Saqar?
yes, teacher,
Yes, honey. Can you tell me about the mother? The property of the mother?
teacher, did you call my name?
No, honey. So some feels?
Feel, smell, taste, sound.
Super boy, the property. Thank you so much, honey. Like what? Some feel smooth and others feels? Yes, honey. Some feel smooth and others? Where are you? Rough and others feels? Yes, Saqar, where are you? Others feels?
Soft,
Yes, smooth or rough. Thank you so much, Saqar, super boy. Yes, Muhammad Ahmed?
call my name? I am Yasser.
Yes, wait, honey, wait just. Some liquid, yes. Muhammad Ahmed. Muhammad Ahmed.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, honey. What about with some liquids feels like the honeybee, thick or thin?
Thick.
Thick. And others like the water and like the juice feels? Yes, honey? Thin. Others feels? Muhammad, where are you? Others feels thin. Muhammad Ahmed. Muhammad, what's wrong? Tell me that. Okay, thank you so much, Muhammad. But if we finish, call me on the Telegram. Okay. Some thick, some liquid feels thick, and others feels thin. Okay. And what else? So some feel and some mother feels. Yes, Sobhi. Sobhi.
Teacher, you say Abdulaziz Hisam.
Sobhi. No, wait on. Sobhi. Sobhi. Okay, Sultan Naif. Sultan Naif. Yes, Abdullah Al-Hakami.
Yes, teacher.
So Abdullah and others feels soft or
Hard.
yes, this different what? Now we talk about different properties. Different properties. Different. Yes, honey. Different properties. Different.
Birds.
Yeah, properties, different properties. Okay, thank you so much, Abdullah. Super. So, is how the matter looks, feels, smells, tastes, or sound. Now we talk about the properties. Okay, if we describe the matter, so we talk about its properties. We talk about its properties. Okay. Look at this picture, please, and help me. Can I play a football by these shoes? Yes, Yusuf. I can or no, Yusuf? Yusuf?
Yes.
Yes, honey. Tell me, can I play a football by these shoes?
Yes.
I can. Or these shoes for the rain?
This shoes for the rain.
But why I cannot play football by these shoes?
Because it's for the rain only.
Why, honey? For the football?
What?
It's not acceptable for the football.
Yes.
Why?
Because this is for the rain only.
Okay, so look here. Where the next? Okay. So it is only also for the rain, but can I play football by these shoes?
Yeah.
Yeah, these shoes help me to play well.
Yes.
So these shoes have some properties for playing the football. So this shoes has what?
A big mouth and space.
Yeah, this shoes has properties suitable or acceptable for the football. Has what?
Suitable.
It has what?
Has many space.
Yes, has properties. Has what?
Properties.
Yes, has properties acceptable for the football game. Has what?
Acceptable to
Properties.
the
Has
football game.
properties. Has what?
Acceptable or
Yeah, has
gave of birth.
Yes. So, Yusuf, can you wear a t-shirt and short in the winter? Okay, thank you so much.
No.
Yeah, no. Thank you so much, Yusuf. Superboy. Yes, Jasser. Jasser.
Teacher.
Yes, honey. Can you wear a t-shirt and short in a winter day?
No.
Why, honey? Why you need to wear
It's so cold.
Yeah, so you need a cloth has some properties for the winter day. You need a cloth has
Some prepared for the winter day.
Thank you so much, Jasser. So please repeat this word again or this sentence again. We need a cloth. Jasser again. We need
that cloth
has or have.
and have the properties.
Yes, have. Acceptable for the winter day. Thank you so much, Jasser. Amazing. So, honey, all the matter has different proverbs. All the matter have different proverbs acceptable for how to use it. Okay, acceptable for how to use it. So here, maybe the matter the matter is thick or thin, smooth or rough, soft or hard, and many different proverbs of the mother we have. Many different proverbs of the mother we have. Okay, it's Muhammad Hilal. Muhammad Hilal.
Yes.
Yes, honey. Yeah, can you give me one example of the mother around you?
This brook is hard.
Yeah, okay, but give me one example around you. Now we use it in our periods.
The rock.
No, honey, I tell you, look around and give me one example of the mother. Now you sit on the chair. Yes, honey, raise your voice. Now you are.
Yeah, teacher.
Yeah. What about your chair? Tell me about the proverbs of your chair.
My chair is very soft and,
Yeah.
and it's very good and it's very
You can talk about anything. What is the color? What is the shape of your chair? Anything. Describe it as you want.
blue. The color is blue and the leg for him is green.
Thank you so much, honey. So now you talk about the proverbs. You talk about the proverbs of the mother. Thank you so much, honey. This is the proverbs of the chair. Okay, honey. Thank you so much, Muhammad. Super. Yes, Abdulaziz Assam. Abdulaziz Assam.
Yes, teacher.
Look at this animal and try to tell me about the proverbs of this animal.
This animal is her color is white and black.
Yeah.
And and
yes, honey. What else?
And
yeah, it's smooth or rough?
it's smooth.
Or hard?
Hard.
Hard or soft?
Smooth.
Yeah, it's very soft.
I say smooth.
Thank you so much. So now, Abdulaziz, you tell me about the proverbs of
this animal.
Yeah, the mother. You talk about the proverbs of
Is mother.
So say it again. Brewbirds of mother. Say it again.
Properties of matter.
Thank you so much, honey. Super boy, Abdulaziz. Yes, Muhammad Fahad. Muhammad.
Yes, teacher. Did you say?
This liquid is a matter. This liquid is a matter. Okay, try to describe me. What about this liquid? It is
Please
thick.
add, teacher.
Muhammad Fahad. Muhammad Fahad. Muhammad Fahad. It is thick or thin? Muhammad Fahad. Yes, Yahya Hussein.
Please
Yes, Yahya. Tell me, honey, what about this liquid? It is thick or thin? It is thick, like the honey. Again? Thick. Super boy. Thank you so much. So now you talk about the properties of this liquid. Now you talk about what? Properties. Now you talk about what?
Robbers.
Yes, proper, super, Yahya. Thank you so much, honey. Okay, yes, Naif. 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 What, honey?
I close the mic.
Yes, yes, please mute off. Yes, Naif. Look at this bird. It's a real or living bird, and this is a toy, okay? So these birds are made of?
Yes.
These birds are made of mother. These birds are made of?
Mother.
And others, the toy also are made of?
Made of?
Mother also are made of?
Mother.
Yes, so Naif, the mother may be natural or made by people. Natural or?
Made my people.
Living or none?
None.
Living. Living or?
None.
Yes. Living or non-living? Living or non-living. Thank you so much, Naif. Super boy. Yes, Abdullah Muhammad Sayyid. Abdullah Muhammad Sayyid. Okay. Yes, Turkey. Turkey.
Yes, teacher.
Oh, Turkey. Look, honey. Can you describe for me this mother? What about this living bird? Describe it for me. Tell me about the brewbirds of this bird, of this mother.
This bird.
Yeah, number one, it is living or non-living?
Living.
Yeah, and what?
And number two, not living because has toys.
It's a toy, super. But number one and number two are made of?
Toy.
Yeah, number one, the living and the non-living one are made of?
Why?
Are made of mother. Made of?
Mother.
Yes, are made of mother. Number one and number two are made of mother. And now you talk about the brewbirds of? Mother. The brewbirds of?
Mother.
Super. Okay, thank you so much, honey. Okay. Yes, Sulaiman. Sulaiman?
Yes.
Yes, Sulaiman. Look at this toy and try to describe or tell me about the brewbirds of this, of the mother here. Yes, Sulaiman, tell me about the brewbirds here. What's the color? Yes, honey, what is the color of this bear?
Brown.
Yeah, it's brown. It is living or non-living?
Yeah, living.
Living.
Non-living.
No, it is not living. Yeah, it's soft or hard?
Oh.
Excellent, Sulaiman. Super boy. So, Sulaiman, now you talk about the brewbirds of? Mother, the brewbirds of?
Mother.
Thank you so much, honey. So grade 1, how do the people describe the mother? By naming its properties.
Teacher.
What, honey?
مين سعد فهد؟
What's your name?
سعد
Fahad?
سعد.
I can't hear your voice. What's your name?
سعد فهد.
Saad Fahad?
Yes.
Who are you, Saad Fahad? So how do the people, listen to me, grade 2, how do the people describe the matter? By naming its properties. By naming its properties. If we name its properties, if we say the pear is brown, is soft, so now we naming its properties, so now we describe the matter. Now we describe the matter, okay? And what about the kinds of matter? We have 3 kinds of matter. We have 3 kinds of matter: solid, gas, and liquid. Solid, gas, and liquid. Yes, Jabir? Jabir? How many kind of the matter, Jabir? Jabir? Jabir, are you Jabir? Basil? Basil, yeah, are you Basil Saad Fahad? Okay, Basil. Basil?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, Basil. So, Basil, what about kind of the matter? How many? It's 3 or 4? 3 kind or 4 kinds of the matter?
3.
Yes, super. 3. Number 1, it is
Solid.
solid. Number 2,
Gas.
gas. Number 3,
Liquid.
liquid. Thank you so much, Basil. Okay. So grade 2, I'm so sorry. Yes, Sultan Bashir. So Sultan, the matter can be described by talking about it is. Yes, Sultan Bashir. Sultan Naif. Sultan Naif.
Yes.
Yes, Sultan. Yes, honey. Matter can be described by talking about its properties or its names or its measuring. How can we describe the matter? By talking about its properties or names or measuring. Yes, Sultan. If I describe the honeybee, it's a thick. The matter in the honeybee or the honeybee, it's a thick matter, feels thick. So now I'm talking about, yeah, again, Sultan.
Proper.
Yeah, now we talk about the properties of the matter. The properties of the matter. Thank you so much, Sultan. Yes, Abdullah Abdulaziz. Abdullah Abdulaziz.
Yes.
Honey is how the matter looks, feels, smells, tastes, and or sound. Now, this is called property or shape.
Property.
Super boy, now it's called property. Thank you so much. Now it is called property. Okay, thank you so much, honey. Yes, Nasser. Nasser.
Teacher, say Muhammad Fahad.
Yes, Muhammad. I call your name, but you didn't answer. So, Muhammad, how do you describe the matter? If you describe the matter, Muhammad, so now you naming it as. How you describe the matter? By naming it as.
Teacher, I am Nasser.
Yes, wait, Nasser, wait, honey. Yes, Muhammad, by naming it as.
Yes. It is.
Yeah, it is properties. It is.
Property.
Yes, it is properties. It is.
Property. It is.
Properties. It is properties. Thank you so much, Muhammad. Yes, Nasser. Nasser.
Teacher.
Yes, no. Nasser, you have a pencil now. Nasser, you have. Nasser, you have a pencil? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So, Nasser, tell me, Nasser, what about your pencil? Tell me about the properties of your pencil.
Pencil.
Yeah, what about the properties of your pencil? What is the color of your pencil, Nasser? Yes, Nasser, what is the color of your pencil? Nasser? It's black. Nasser, it is black. Where are you, Nasser?
This is back.
Okay, so it is, this is a blue purse. This is a
Back.
purse. This is a blue purse. Okay, blue purse. It's called what, honey?
Back.
Blue purse. It's called?
Robbers.
Yes. Thank you so much, honey. Yes, Abdurrahman. Abdurrahman.
Yes, teacher.
Tell me about any mother and describe it for me, but quickly, honey.
What?
Yes. Look around. Give me one example of the mother. Yes, give me one example of the mother.
Table.
Yes. What about the table? Tell me about the blue birds of this table.
Table.
Yeah.
Table. What did you?
It's smooth or rough.
Rough.
It's rough. Okay. And what else? What is the color of your table?
White.
It is white. Okay. So now you talk about what? The blue.
That's true.
The blue birds. Now we talk about the
Trooper.
blue birds. One more time, Abdurrahman. The
Trooper.
blue bird. Thank you so much, Abdurrahman. Now I add a positive point for all of you, even you not participate with me. But if I call your name and you didn't answer, so no point for you as Subhi and Sultan Bashir because they not answer. Okay, but even I not call you. Okay, thank you so much, Greg, too. I'm so sorry. Finished. So now please leave the meeting, honey.